Do you have some free time that you want to utilize and start a business in Germany? Maybe you are someone who wants to start a side business along with your full-time job to earn some extra cash. If yes, then I think affiliate marketing is something that can benefit you. So watch this video till the end as I'll show you the 5-step plan to start an affiliate marketing business in Germany. Hey friends, welcome back to the channel. If you're new here, my name is Ahsan. I'm a researcher, and on this channel, we talk about business and personal finance in Germany. Imagine all you needed to make money online was a social media presence. You don't have to create your own products or offer a service. Sounds good? Welcome to affiliate marketing. Affiliate marketing is a way to promote other companies' products or services in return for a commission you make on the sales. The commission is usually a percentage of the sale price, but might also be a fixed amount too. Let's start with a basic question. Why start with affiliate marketing? There are two reasons to why you should start with affiliate marketing. Reason number one is that there's no starting cost. The only thing you need to get started with affiliate marketing is a mobile phone. Apart from that, you just need to put in your time and effort to get your business running. Reason number two is that this business is easy to scale. Once you know how to get started, you can promote products from many different companies and earn commissions from all of them. Next question is, how does affiliate marketing work? The answer is pretty simple. A seller gives each affiliate a unique link so that they can track who is responsible for a sale. The link will usually look something like this. If someone buys a product using that link, the seller pays the commission to the marketer after a successful purchase. Alright. Before starting a business, it's absolutely essential to do proper due diligence. We do not want to blindly put a lot of effort into something that has total market saturation. For example, we start a new affiliate marketing business where we promote a wide variety of products, from dishwashing soap to baby formula, anything you can find in a superstore. The more products we promote, the more income we can generate, right? Well, it does not work like that. If you try to promote everything, then what's the difference between you and Amazon, who has a huge marketing budget and not to mention authority? If you're liking this video, please hit the like button and consider subscribing. So our first goal should be to build an authority in a very specific niche or a sector. To do that, we have to, step number one, start by picking a niche. Now, niche selection is very important because the next steps are going to be heavily affected by this choice. For example, if you choose to pick food as your niche, it's not good because this category is huge and there are way too many authorities out there. So if we go a little bit deeper and select vegetarian food, we have lesser competition. But let's take it a step further and let's pick vegetarian food with ingredients from Aldi. Now, I do not think you will have much competition if you selected this topic. In the beginning, we can test different things, but having at least a general idea will always help you in the long run. Step number two is joining an affiliate program. Generally speaking, there are 3 types of affiliate programs, and based on your niche, you can either have many affiliate programs to choose from or very limited option. The first type is high-paying, low-volume affiliate programs. These are affiliate programs for niche products with high payouts. For example, TubeBuddy pays a 30% commission on whichever program the customer chooses. So the commission could be between $2.7 all the way up to $144 per referral. Here, you may also have more competition due to the high payout. The second type is low-paying, high-volume affiliate programs. These are affiliate programs for products with low payouts but mass appeal. An example could be smartwatches. The average cost of a smartwatch is about $50. So the commission for that would be probably a few cents to a dollar. That said, there is a higher chance of an affiliate sale as people generally buy these sorts of products pretty often. Another positive would be that there are many different types of products available in this category. For example, you can set up an Amazon affiliate program and promote a variety of products and earn up to 10% commission on almost everything sold on Amazon. The third type is high-paying, high-volume affiliate programs. These are affiliate programs for products with mass appeal, which also pay high commissions. For example, web hosting programs. Every website on the internet needs web hosting. I have been with Namecheap for more than 10 years, and their affiliate program is pretty amazing as well. I will put links to everything I discussed today below the like button. Alright, now that you have selected a niche, and joined a few affiliate programs. Step number 3 would be to select a platform. Up until a few years ago, if you had to start an affiliate marketing business, you only had one option to get started with, and that was creating a blog. Now times have changed and we have so many different platforms to choose from. Facebook, Instagram, YouTube, and TikTok. You can get started for free on all of these platforms. Some platforms are easier to get started on compared with others. For example, you can create a TikTok account to get views relatively quickly compared to a YouTube channel. But if you are able to create an audience on YouTube, it can be very profitable in the long run. One issue most people face is that they try to be on each and every platform at once, and this division of concentration often leads to less optimal results. If you are starting with no experience, start with a platform you are most familiar with and give all of your efforts there. In my opinion, TikTok would be the best place to start if you want the best results right now. That said, having a website creates a higher authority for you, and if you are someone who prefers writing, it could be a better option as well. But starting a blog does need some capital if you want a custom website. This leads to the next step, which is the most important one, and that is to create great content. Many affiliate marketers have a goal of getting as many conversions as possible. As a result, their content seems pretty cheesy and pushy. Most people do not like this kind of marketing. If we set our goal to give value first, chances are people will respond positively to that. In his book, Gary Vee says that the key is to give your fans and community so much value that when you ask for a sale, people will actually feel guilty for not supporting you because you have helped them so much. Just think of your favorite creator. If they promote a product which you actually want to buy, will you buy it using their link, or will you buy the same product using a link from a random WhatsApp message that you got? An important thing here would be consistency. Your first few pieces of content would definitely suck, and that's okay. According to Ali Abdal,
first 50 videos are going to be terrible, so you might as well get through those 50 videos as soon as you can.
So start creating great content around the products and services you want to market, and people will notice it. With time, you will get better and your sales will also go to the moon. Step number 5, which is where most people struggle with, is sticking to the niche. As I mentioned in the first step, that picking a niche is very important, but sticking to it is as important, if not more. If you just randomly pick a niche and start creating content around it, chances are you might not get many conversions. But if you spend time and pick a niche afterwards, you need to stick to it. You can try to throw some nets in various directions to see how the response is, but the core of your content should revolve around your niche. For example, if your niche is credit cards for students, maybe you can try a few content pieces like free bank accounts or how to increase your credit limit. These might be close enough to your niche but may cater to a totally different audience as well. What you do not want to do is to flip-flop between different categories, like creating a video on vegan meals one day and credit card videos the other. I'm not saying that you cannot do that, but you have to have a common thread. For example, vegan meals for students and best credit cards for students can totally work as your topic is related to students. This video was an overview of how affiliate marketing works. I am creating a complete course on affiliate marketing with individual videos on each step, which I will link here. In the meantime, you can watch my video on how to register a business in Germany. So thanks for watching, bleib gesund, and I'll see you in this video.